video is about how to make money in Nigeria without having to work two jobs in this 2026. And as a girl who has benefited so much from doing these things I'm going to be sharing with you, you don't know what I've brought to you because I don't have the energy to be doing so much, but I want to make as much money as I can. So these methods I'm going to be sharing with you has helped me a lot in my journey to financial freedom, and I'm going to share it with you because I don't want to gatekeep. You know, you're my family, right? But before we get into it, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'm not begging you, but I want you to join me on this my financial journey because your girl is always going to bring you good news. So let's get right into it. I don't want to ramble too much because 2026, we don't need words, we need action. Now, the first thing you need to start doing is to start investing in treasury bills. Trust me, because treasury bills has been, funding my lifestyle. Treasury bills. But then I don't really see many Nigerians talking about this. But treasury bills, trust me, it is one way you can make good money. And especially right now, the interest rate is very high. It's around 18 point something percent official rate. So when you go to your bank, you might get lesser than that. And then you can use bamboo to invest as well if you're one that you don't want to go to your bank. But just note that when you invest with bamboo, you don't get your interest upfront, unlike when you invest in banks. So just have that at the back of your mind. But treasury bills, it is a no-brainer. Like, it has funded my lifestyle in such a way that, because I've been investing over the years, I have now created this situation whereby January, February, March, April, May, June, July, I am always getting interest from treasury bills because I keep rolling over my investment. And it has been contributing a lot to funding my lifestyle. Some months when I have a lot in that month, I would invest it, and then the interest I get from that month, because it is paid up front, I now use it for another month. So I now keep rolling over. So it has not created this effect of me always having interest coming in every single month. So even though my salary is not enough, I have something to fall back on. Now, the second one is to invest in small and medium scale enterprises. Guys, you don't know, in Nigeria, because of the interest rate banks give to these businesses, most people are looking for who to invest in their business. The only thing is that we still don't have a platform where you can easily invest in a business where you know that your money is secure. But now you have to rely on personal relationship. Maybe your uncle has a business like mine, whose uncle runs a printing press, and over the years I invested in his company in such a way that every 3 months now he pays me 500,000 naira, which is just 10% of my investment with him. But then, because he does not want to go to the bank where he will be getting interest as high as 30%, you don't want that for yourself, so you want to fall back on 10% that it's just basically giving you a better option. But this is my agreement with my uncle, so you might want to also look for people who you trust to get your capital back, get your interest on time, so that you are not feeling like you just wasted your money. And once it comes to family, they tend to this one happened, that one did not happen. No, I want my money to be secure and safe. So that's on clockhead. But that is what you need to start doing: investing in SMEs, small medium enterprises. That is where the money is at. They are the ones that are running this economy, and they always need money to put into their business, and they keep generating turnovers. Now, investing in high yield savings accounts. Trust me when I say this is another sweet spot, but know that whatever interest rate you get on treasury bills is used as a base for many high yield savings accounts. Even PiggyVest has said it at some point that they mostly invest in government bonds, in treasury bills, where they know that the money is secure, so that people's money are not lost. So they don't go for high risk, investment options. So high yield savings account like PiggyVest, Optimus are places where you can put your money in. So when you get interest there, know that you are not losing out on anything, because treasury bills is used as the base for most investments, and that is on me working in the banking sector, so I know investing in a high yield savings account is another way, especially for people who are low earners. You can use it to build up your money, then over time now go to the big ballers, stocks and all those other investment options. But trust me, you can start from high yield savings accounts. You're not losing out on so much of the interest. So lastly is investing in mutual funds, guys. Last year I started my mutual funds journey, and I can't tell you how much as I am right this You have to talk to me nice, because right now I am making all the best financial decisions for my future. Now, investing in mutual funds, I did that video where I took you guys through the whole process. I even took you to the Stanbic IBTC where I bought mine, and it has really done a lot. Like, the money has been growing. All I now do is every month I top it up with 100,000, 200,000, whatever I have, I just top it up. Making that initial investment has really helped me grow my portfolio of investments, and the good thing is that you can start with as low as 5,000 naira. Like, you don't even need so much. So 5,000 naira is the least you can start with. But if you have a lot of money, it is a good place to put your money so that your interest will grow. The higher the amount you have, the higher your interest grows, obviously. So mutual funds is another one. So these are 4 places where you can always put your money to grow without having to do 2 jobs. Trust me, people say side hustles, but not everybody can do side hustles. So this is me bringing you the options you can use to help your money to start growing in 2026. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope this video was insightful to you. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, because this Minister of Enjoyment is about to go. Oh wait, let's watch this other video right here. Watch it, because it's definitely going to help you. Trust me, your girl does not do nonsense video. Check it out, and I'll see you guys over there.